Okay, if a square garden, so again, a square garden is shortened two opposite sides by 5 centimeters each, and lengthening the other two sides by 5 meters each. So basically, we're gonna make this one longer and this one shorter, where this is x plus 5 and this is x minus 5 if the original length is x. Okay. So how do the areas compare? The original area is x squared. The new one is x plus 5 times by x minus 5. Okay, we know how to expand that. That's going to be x squared minus 25. So which one is bigger? Clearly this is bigger, right? It's the exact same expression here. There's a minus 25. This is bigger. Bigger by 25, right? Bigger by 25 meters squared.